Welcome to the Cryptosteel video tutorial on restoring access to your Blockstream Jade hardware wallet device using the Cryptosteel cassette stainless steel backup. This is what your Cryptosteel cassette should look like with a stored recovery seed phrase with 24 mnemonic words, 12 on the front side and 12 on the reverse. Connect your Blockstream Jade to your computer. Start by following the manufacturer's instructions and launch the provided software or website. Select Setup Jade on your computer and then Recover on your Blockstream Jade device. Select Advanced and 24 words. Enter the first characters of the first word of the recovery seed phrase. Jade will suggest a word for you to choose after entering the initial letters. You only need the first 4 letters of each word to restore your BIP39 password, because the system is based on a predefined vocabulary. The BIP39 standard, invented by Satoshi Labs, creator of the Trezor device, has been embraced by all leading hardware wallet manufacturers, including Ledger, Bitbox, and Blockstream. You are now watching the process in a time-lapse, but from beginning to end. Again, notice that the hardware wallet completes the mnemonic words after entering the initial characters. Enter your passphrase and confirm it. Select a new PIN number. Congratulations! You have successfully restored your hardware wallet and access to your crypto assets. Cryptosteel, the mother of all backups.